Hi, I'm Sam Presley. I'm a technical product manager at Nordic Semiconductor. And today I'd like to show you our power consumption demo for the new nRF54L series. So what we're doing here is comparing the power consumption of the nRF54L15 with the nRF52840. And here what we're doing is we're using our Nordic Power Profiler kit to measure the power consumption in real time. So what we can do here is we can change the Bluetooth mode that these devices are in. So currently they're both doing Bluetooth advertising, and you can see when we compare the 54L power consumption with the 52 series power consumption, there's a really significant reduction in average power consumption. So this here we're doing relatively fast advertising. We can also look at how the performance looks in a connection, and again once we wait for it to fill the screen, you'll see in this connection mode, we see a really big improvement in the power consumption. So from an average of 50 microamps down to 33 microamps on a 54L.
Why not see think of that, Jersey?
So in addition to the radio power consumption improvements, we also have made really big improvements in terms of the processing power and processing efficiency. So what we're doing here is performing the same fixed workload on both the 52 and the 54L. And you can see that on the 54L, the operation takes significantly less time, so half the time. The peak current of the MCU when it's running is lower than the 52 series, and therefore the average power consumption when performing these activities is significantly improved.
Yeah.
So this means you can do more advanced processing on the device with the same size battery, or you can choose to reduce the size of the battery in your product to make it smaller and more convenient for customers.